Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I'm Dami of 𝐓𝐻𝐂𝐇. Today we'll be learning how to sew this beautiful corporate top. In our last class, we are able to draft out the patterns for this top. So we'll be going through the step by step on how to sew the top together. So please stick to the end of the tutorial. If you are joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us. For our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. If you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime you have a new tutorial. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and also comment. Thank you for joining us today. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description box. So let's get started. Alright, so in our last class we were able to draft out the patterns for this top like this. So this is the pattern. I've used the pattern to cut out the fabric. So this is the front and this is going for the back. Don't forget that the zip is going to be at the front, so I added the zipper allowance at the front. So now for the sewing, now to go ahead with the sewing, I cut the lining also using the pattern. So this is the back piece now. So for the back piece, since it's not going to be having the zip, so I'm going to be joining it with 0.5 inch from the neckline down to the hem, and I'll do the same thing with the lining. Then I'll use the lining to turn the neckline and the side of the fabric. So I will join the center back of the lining and also the fabric, then I'll use it to turn each other. So for this bodice, for the front also, I'm going to be placing it and be joining the two pieces we have for the front and also the yoke together. So these two pieces here, I'll be joining it together with this one. Then also I'll be fixing the yoke here. So also I'll be doing the same thing for the lining. Alright, so this is the back piece here. I've joined the center front back together and did the same thing for the lining, and I've used the lining to turn the neckline, the side, and also the hem, and I've given it a good press. So we'll keep this one aside here. So these are the two pieces for the front here. I've joined it on the that line, I've joined it, and also I fixed the yoke. So I did the same thing for this other side too. So before we join the lining, I've also joined the lining together. So before we turn it with the lining, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be fixing our zip first. So I want the zip to be an open through, so I'll be using this type of zip for it. So I'll be fixing the zip. I added 1 inch allowance as my zipper allowance, so I'm going to pin it down like this. Pin the zip down, so I'm going to be sewing this on the, I will take it to the sewing machine and sew this side down very close to the zip teeth. So I will do it for this side, and I'll also flip it to the other side and also fix the zip for the other side. So when I'm done fixing it on this side, so the lining, to use the lining to turn it also, so I'll place the lining right side facing the right side. So I'll place the line, let's say I'll fix the zip like this, so I'll place the lining on it also like this. So I will stitch it also down, then I will turn it on the neckline, the side, and also on the hemline. But I'm going to be fixing the zip side first, so I will do that and I'll bring it back. Alright, so this is the front piece. I've turned it with lining and also I fixed the zip. So this is what the wrong side is looking like. So there's no rough edge on this zipper area, so all the allowances for the zip is already turned in. So once you are done with this, now you bring the front and the back together, right side facing the right side. So you place the sides together like this. I added 1.5 inch allowance for the side, so I'm going to be sewing in my 1.5 inch allowance for both sides, and also I will join it by ½ inch on the shoulder line. So I will do that and I'll bring it back. Alright, so I've joined it on the side. So this is what the inside is looking like this. So we have this now, and also I've gone ahead to cut the sleeve and also turn the sleeve with the lining. So this is the inside of the sleeve like this. So next we'll do now is I'll go ahead to fix the sleeve on both sides. So I have the sleeve for both sides here. so I will just fix the sleeve. So I've fixed the sleeve on both sides. So this is what the finishing of the top is looking like. I hope you're able to learn one or two things from this tutorial. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and also drop comments if you have any questions. So thank you for joining us in our class today, and we'll see you in the next class. Thank you.